Hi guys, welcome back to the Eases channel. If you deal with files every day, you know it happens, right? Data loss. It may occur from time to time. But do not worry, we have solutions here. This video will present you with 4 ways to help you recover deleted or lost files on the newest macOS system, macOS Sequoia. Method 1. Restore deleted files on macOS 15 from Mac Trash. Step 1. Double-click Trash on Mac to open it. Step 2. Find the deleted file you want to retrieve. Select the desired files, click the 3-dot icon and choose Put Back. Method 2. Retrieve macOS Sequoia deleted files with Time Machine. If you luckily backed up your macOS 15 Mac with Time Machine, do as follows. Step 1. You can enter Time Machine from the menu bar or search it. Step 2. If you want to restore files that were deleted in the Documents folder, choose the folder and roll back to a specific date to find the files. Select the files you want to put back and choose Restore. Method 3. Restore files deleted on macOS 15 from iCloud. Step 1. Log in the iCloud on your Mac. Step 2. Browse the file you have saved in iCloud. Click the 3-dot icon and choose Download. You can download or copy them to any location. Method 4. Recover deleted files on macOS Sequoia with data recovery software. The most effective method to recover deleted or lost files is to use data recovery software. Ease as Data Recovery Wizard for Mac, which is perfectly compatible with macOS Sequoia, would be your best amigo. Follow the steps here. You need to first download this tool from the official website. Step 1. Then launch iosmacossequoiarecovered Data Recovery Wizard from Mac and choose the disk where you lost data. Then click Search for Lost Files to start scanning. Step 2. After the scan, use the file format filter on the left or upper right corner to find the deleted files you need. Step 3. You can double-click a file to preview its content or choose multiple files to recover them at once. Click Recover to restore the lost data to a local or cloud drive. In this video, we have looked at how to recover deleted files on macOS Sequoia. Though you have several methods available, iosmacossequoiarecovered Data Recovery Wizard for Mac will always be your best resort. Subscribe to the iosmacossequoia channel to get more content videos in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye.